everyone, it's Dee again from Beauty and Delight Studio. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be filming a quick makeup tutorial. Great for anyone who wants to learn how to do a quick makeup on days you don't have time to do a fancy makeup and need to get out of the door fast. I will be listing the products in the description box, so keep an eye out for that. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like my videos and want to see more, and comment below to share some love. Thanks so much and enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter and put that as a base. And of course, I'm gonna do everything really quickly. Put that away and blend that out. And you can definitely use your hands too if you want to. But this gives a nice glow. Alrighty. Next step, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Retoucher Pen in number 2. I think I have a little bit of redness in my skin from the sun. The sun's coming out now. And when you need to do quick makeup, I usually like to use concealer and powder instead of a full foundation. I find it a little bit quicker and easier to blend, but that's just my personal preference. And I'm using the Pixi Beauty Supercharged Change Maker pressed powder. And I will be using, because I only use concealer, I will be using a denser brush just to get a little bit more coverage in. Alright, skin looks great. And of course, I'm gonna put my eyebrows on. So I have the Precisely My Brow. Honestly, I have my eyebrows microbladed and it's amazing. Like, it saves so much time in the day. Thank you, Beaver Brows. But I do like to fill it in just to give it some more definition. And it has been a while since I got my eyebrows done, so I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow if I didn't already say that. Awesome. So let's put that away, and I'm gonna tightline my eyes with the Pixi Endless Silk Pen in black. You can see that. And I didn't sharpen it, so I need to sharpen it. Alright, and to tightline, you just go really close and do it under the eye lash line. So it just makes your eyes appear, like eyelashes appear thicker. It's amazing. And it's okay if it's not neat, it can be a little bit messy. Alright, and remember to do some bronzer. I love this bronzer from Benefit. It's the Hoola bronzer. And I'm gonna grab a fan brush like this. And just under here. This is a real quick styles way of contouring. If you only have 5 minutes in the morning. Okay, I've got that, and I'm gonna go in with this highlighter from Lancome. It's the Dual Finish Highlighter in Radiant Rose Gold. That's how it looks like. And I'm gonna also use a different fan brush for that. And put it on the high points of my cheeks. And after that, I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury at Eyes to Mesmerize in Rose Gold. And this is how it looks like. So pretty. And I'm going to use a blending brush to apply this on. I'm just going to dip that in, and then I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. This color just blends, this color's just so pretty, and I really like using the brush because it blends so nicely. Like that. And do that again with the other eye. I love this color. Look at that. You can use your fingers as well. Perfect. That looks great. And I'm going to curl my lashes. If you already have curled lashes, then lucky you, you can skip this step. And I'm going to be using the Lancome Hypnose mascara. I love this mascara, buildable. This one's also waterproof. I find a lot of the times I need a waterproof mascara. There we go. So now that's done, I'm gonna put, yes, I'm giving myself time for lashes. I lost my lashes. Okay, I found my lashes. It went to the other side of the desk. I don't know how that happened. So I'm gonna use my Duo Lash Glue and apply my lashes on using a Q-tip. I always use a Q-tip now because if you put it directly on, there's a chance that you will get the glue on the lashes and you could ruin your lashes, and we don't want that. So I'm going to use a Q-tip, apply that on, and I always put a little bit more glue on the outer corner because that's where it tends to lift the most. So just put a little bit more there. And then you can apply the first lash on because the glue has already started to dry up a bit and it'll become tacky. And the trick for first time lash wearers is have a mirror, angle it 45 degrees, and then apply. There we go. And if you did get any glue on your shadow, feel free to just get a Q-tip and remove that. It removes pretty easily, I would say. There we go. Awesome, and we're almost done, and we just get some lipstick. And the lipstick, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in the medium tone. This one right here. Apply that. And my blush is the NARS Orgasm Blush. So this entire look is very warm. And I'm done. Very fast, very easy. I even had time for lashes. I hope you like this look. So very easy to use. Very easy to apply, very fast and quick. And it's a fun look still. It's still a fun look. You have your lashes, you still have a little bit of color on your lids. It's not, you know, something you wouldn't wear. Alright everyone, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed watching that. It was different again. It was fun. As I'm talking throughout the process, I'm actually talking to you guys. So hopefully you guys took some of those tips and tricks home with you and you're able to apply it to yourself when you're putting makeup on. Like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see and you want to see more. And again, share some comments below to give me some love.